You probably may know who Warren Buffett is, currently the most wealthiest man with a net worth of over $110 billion. But at his starting time he did a lot of mistakes, and because of these mistakes he faced huge losses. Buffett doesn't tell anyone these mistakes. But we have found out 5 such mistakes which nowadays almost 99% people does. And if you continue doing these mistakes, then no one would be able to stop you from becoming a poor and unsuccessful person. Number 1. Not having a proper budget. Almost everyone knows that how much important a budget is, but still they don't maintain a proper budget. A survey says that almost 90% people know that a budget is necessary but don't make it. The very simple reason is laziness and overspending habit. You will just need 5 minutes to make a budget, and it will then help you to do a proper saving. Budget is actually a psychological thing. It always reminds your brain its limits on spending. At the first month you won't be able to follow your budget, but don't stop making it. And don't forget to keep at least 20% of your income in your savings. You will see that in your first month you saved only 5 to 10% of your income, but from the 5th or 6th month of you will see that you saved the whole 20%. This will only happen if you maintain a budget. Number 2. Not having a track of expenses. Many people do the mistake of not tracking the money they spend. Also, they first spend the money and then think about it. Well, it should be directly opposite. One should think first before spending it. Many people fall into the trap of discounts. When they see anything on sale, they directly buy it without thinking that whether it is important for them or not. And then at the month end, finds his pocket empty with no money left. Thus, we should always keep tracking our expenses and think twice before making a payment and buying something. Before moving on, I request you to do a very small task. That is pressing the subscribe button. We will be very happy if you do that. Now let's move on to our video. Number 3. Not diversifying the investments. Most people put all their money into one business. We should always diversify our investment. If we invest all our capital into one business, then there is a chance of losing all the money if the business fails. But if we study well and invest in 5 different companies, then if one company gives us losses, the other 4 will give us profits. Thus, it is very important to diversify our investments. Number 4. Lacking a financial plan. Almost 33% people lack a written financial plan. A written plan is very important. It will save you in your emergencies and also in your retirements. But always write down the plan instead of thinking it in mind. Number 5. Inflating your lifestyle. Well, this mistake is done by almost all of us. We spend uselessly on our lifestyle. We try to copy someone else's luxurious life and fall into debts. Also, we spend blindly when we are emotional, like sad or depressed. At such times we don't look our bank accounts. Instead, we make huge payments unnecessarily. This ruins our life. We should always live a very simple life, and if we want to spend in our lifestyle, then we should spend a very little amount. But that amount shouldn't be more than our income. That's all for today. Hope you will be able to manage your finances. Also, do subscribe our channel for more contents. And do like the video. One like motivates us a lot.